Yo, yo, yo. What's up? Today is another fucking hella good day, bro. We ended up making 553.60 in Q fucking long, bro. We took a long during London pre-market because London was starting here, and I took the trade before the open of London. Um, I've just looked how many points I could have catched if I left a runner, but don't care. I took my piece of the cake and I'm happy. So, um, yeah, let me edit this one. So I was in with 6 contract, closed the first like all the position at this buy side liquidity because I wasn't hella sure going for the 4 hour, but I'm gonna show you the trade. Yeah, so let's jump straight to the chart. Let's go into 1 hour. So first of all, in the previous day we swept this internal high here. Internal, yeah, it's high time frame, so it's not that internal, but this was an internal high considering this as the buy side external liquidity and this the sell side and external liquidity. This is the external buy side, this is the external sell side. So we were rejecting many times off of the EQ right there of this big range, and once for all we ended up taking out everything possible here. See, we took out even this super duper low, right? Let me go for hour, maybe it's clear. Nah, okay. We ended up taking everything out, everything, okay? So there was no more liquidity to the downside for us to go lower. Just this one, which was hella down. So my thought process on this trade was, right, we have this rejection block on the 4 hour, so the wick that have been printed on the chart on the 4 hour. And as you can see, let me use another, let's use even this one. This was the start of the rejection block. Yesterday we put this low here and we put the low on the day of the day right there. Let me use another color. We put the low of the day, so this was previous day low. We put the low of the day inside was even I think, yeah, was a daily PD array, right? Sometimes in the week we is not normal, but we usually set the low of the week inside a high time frame PD array. So could be a 1 day PD array or 1 week PD array, right? So we ended up making this low inside a 1 day PD array. So this was for me was hella confident, right? Then what happened was we add this 1 hour gap here, and main idea initially was to uh, rebalance this price leg and then shoot higher from this 1 hour, right? And this is more or less what exactly happened, right? Because as you can see, the body never closed below the gap, so it's saying like I don't want to go lower, right? In like less words, simple word, chart is saying I don't want to go lower. And going into the 50 minute, what I saw was we add this manipulation, internal manipulation here into what? Into this 50-minute order block, this down close candle, the last down close candle. Here this was a 50-minute order block. Mm, let me use this blue. Uh, with this CSD level line here. So we ended up manipulate this low inside this 50-minute order block, right? And inside this portion of the fair value. So it was a double confluence for me, and shit, I was hella confident for us to go higher, not that much higher like this. This was I think 600 point expansion. Yeah, more 700 point expansion. So I I wasn't like predicting this whole move, but that's okay. So as soon as we hit and we sweat this low here inside during Asia, the end of Asia, we ended up making this price leg here, which later on was rebalanced. You see, we swept internal high, rebalanced at the EQ of this price leg was here, so we rebalanced at the EQ, and then we used this 15-minute gap. We used this 15-minute gap to add the bounce higher. Other than that, we even re-sweep the low that we have set inside of 15 minutes. So we swept again the low. Let me go even lower. This wasn't a 15 minute, this was a 5 minute, my bad, sorry guys. So we swept again the low that we set inside this 5 minute gap, and my thought process here was, okay, we high time frame narrative, high time frame speaking, we took everything out here, high time frame. We rebalance inside a order block and a fair value. We set the first like manipulation expansion leg, then we retrace back at the EQ inside a 5 minute confluence, confirming 1 minute change in state, manipulated the liquidity inside the range, so that like now it's straight long. So what I did was waiting for this price leg to be rebalanced, right? We rebalanced the price leg. We respected this 1 minute gap here. So we respect the 5 minute gap here. Then why I didn't wait this candle to enter the trade? Just because we this was kind of discretionary play, but we retested the CSD on the 1 minute. We retested the 50% of this order block here. You see, this is the 50% tool, and this is my 1 minute order block. So we respected with the body and the wick. We respected the 50% of the order block, and was why I took 90% of my position out here. So I took here. Let me type it. I took 5 contract out seg contract, just because I was thinking that this was the move, because my standard deviation projection was saying like here 2.5. So I said like okay, let me take out everything possible here. So here I took out like 5 out of 6 cons, and the last cons I took it out here because I said like, okay, let me leave a runner till here, till the 4 hour, and then we can see if price want to do like a push lower to rebalance this price leg, or we want to go higher. So break even at this internal high with this. Oh, okay, break even this internal high here, and yeah, this was the trade of today. Pretty happy because it's setting us really close to the, oh shit, my bad, setting us really close to the 3k profit target for passing the challenge, luckily after fucking 3 months. And was my mistake because I was risking hella no money, like 200 bucks, 100 bucks, and here I'm risking more, hella more, because I'm taking like the evaluation process too slow. Even here you see we had this stationary shit, and then we spiked up with the new PNL and new trade. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. We took out the last cons here, took out here the 1 of 1 cons that we have left here. And yeah, what I can say, yeah, maybe leave not like one runner, but like doing something like this would have been better. But my last TP, like my initial TP, was this level here, due to the fact that it was really close to this -4 standard deviation level, and the MMX model was, my opinion, was here the end. The buy side, the external buy side liquidity was here, so this is why I took most of my position right there. and we can see that this was the sell side of the curve, and this one was the buy side of the curve. Even with the I time frame speaking like narrative, we close about this CSD here, signaling that we were going higher. Uh, the only thing that I can say to myself is try to leave runner going, because sometimes runners can make you hella profit. Like in this case, look, if I close maybe four here, one here, and the last maybe, I don't know, here would have been hella much bigger win, but it is what it is. We took our piece of the cake. I'm happy, and what else I can say? Nothing. I'm seeing myself like the profitable trader that I want to be. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with my trading journey right now. We're doing pretty good stuff. Setups are getting more A plus than ever. So yeah, what I can say, bro, I'm fucking happy. Let me just say this: emotions are not a good partner on trading, but we started hard on March, bro. We started hella hard because on February we made just 320 bucks, bro. In March we already made him 1K. So I'm getting more confident. I don't wanna lose my mind on profits. This is why I'm not taking a trade based on money, and I'm not watching the P&L growing. I just watch. I just try to get A plus setup, execute, and my job is done. Money comes after, and this is one of the biggest lessons that I learned in these like 3 years of trading. That trading is not a fucking get rich quick scheme and shit method. It's just consistency. Know yourself. Try to be the best version of yourself every fucking day. So this is how things are going right now. I'm pretty fucking happy. Sorry to say it again, but like, come on. This is a fucking beauty of a trade, bro. This is a fucking beauty of a trade. I'm really happy. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the shame. I'm really thankful for you to watch my content. I know we are not that much. We are six subscriber, bro. But I don't care because this channel is not for money shit. Like, it's not for having 1,000 subscriber, but just for me and myself in the future, because I know I'm gonna be there one time. I know because I'm not giving up, bro. I'm not giving up. Never. Even when I had my worst period in my trading journey, I never gave up. And I'm not giving up right now, bro. Even all the family is saying like you're doing bullshit, you're not gonna make any money off of it. I don't give a shit, man. I don't give a shit. Okay? So keep grinding, keep following your goals, bro, because you're so fucking close. You're so fucking close, bro. And I know for sure, it's matter of month, not here. It's matter of month that I can't live with this shit, bro. I'm feeling it. I swear to God, I'm feeling it. So keep pushing, keep your fucking dick hard, bro. Stay angry, stay hungry, and see you next time, brother.